History of SAP S/4HANA. To help customers run simple, SAP has broken the limitation of its past via innovation based digital core product SAP S/4HANA. On 3rd February 2015, SAP announced its new business suite fully built on SAP HANA called SAP S4 HANA, meaning SAP Business Suite for HANA. This is considered to be the new product and biggest innovation of SAP since R3 systems. In 1972, R1, mainframe 1979, R2, client server 1992, R3, World Wide Web 2000, MySAP, service oriented architecture 2004, ERP, in memory computing 2011, HANA. So this is the history of SAP S4 HANA. This is the chronology. That's how SAP S4 HANA has evolved. SAP R1 system, one tier architecture, presentation layer, application layer, and database layer, all three in one tier, that is client tier. SAP R1 is the first ever product of software giant SAP systems, application, and product in data processing. As the name suggests, SAP R1 is the system with one tier architecture. R stands for real time data processing. A software mainly consists of three layers: presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. In one tier architecture, which is as SAP R1, all these three layers are installed in one server. The first module developed was financial accounting system. It was introduced in the year 1972. SAP R1 system. SAP R2 systems. SAP R2 is SAP's mainframe product and also first ever compact software package for end-to-end business applications. It was introduced in the year 1979. SAP R2 runs mainframe such as IBM, Siemens, etc. The first version of R2 system is 6.1. It is a two-tier architecture, presentation layer, and that is one tier, and database and application layer combined. That is SAP R2 system architecture. R2 system is two-tier architecture-based product. Presentation layer is on one server, while the application and database layers are present in another server. The mainframe solution is not open, but with the help of ALE, application link enabled technology, R2 can be linked to the systems and share online data. In 1980s, SAP moved into their first facility in Waldorf, Germany. They added additional modules to their portfolio, and by the end of 1981, R2 had stabilized. In 1986, SAP opened first international subsidiary in Austria. After 3 years of development, SAP also released their human resource management module to their customer. SAP R3 systems. SAP R3 is SAP's integrated software solution for client server and distributed open systems. SAP's R3 is world's most used standard business software for client server computing. R3 meets the needs of customer from the small companies to multi-billion dollar companies. The software is highly customizable using SAP's proprietary programming language ABAP 4. So ABAP is SAP's proprietary programming language. Here is the SAP R3 architecture. This is the presentation layer, application server, which contains dispatcher and work processes DB. This is the third layer, database layer. SAP R3 system working process is described as follows. All requests that come in from presentation layer server are first directed to dispatcher. Presentation layer first directed to dispatcher. The dispatcher writes them first to dispatcher queue. So they write it in the dispatcher queue. The dispatcher pulls the request from the queue on first in first out basis. Each request is then allocated to first available work process. First available work process. A work process handles one process at a time. In 1992, SAP introduced R3 with its client server concept, uniform graphical interface, dedicated use of relational database to a number of pilot companies, and after successful implementation of SAP, rolls it out to the general public. SAP also introduced its new partner strategy. So this is how SAP R3 system looks. SAP forms a relationship with Microsoft and SAP R3 system for Windows NT is released. Towards the end of 90s, SAP introduced Enjoy SAP, emphasizing SAP users. The idea is to make software easier to learn, faster to work with, and simpler to customize to customers' need. This is Enjoy SAP. The R3 basis software is the set of programs and tools which interfaces with the computer operating system, the underlying database, the communication protocol, and the presentation interface. This software enables R3 application, FI, CO, SD, etc. to have the same functionality and work exactly the same way, no matter what operating system or database the system is installed on. SAP NetWeaver. SAP NetWeaver was first introduced by Top Tier Software, an Israeli company, in 1997. SAP acquired this company in early 2000. First version of NetWeaver was released in 2004 with version NetWeaver 7.0. SAP system, master data, material availability, pricing, customer order, customer self service. And this is the NetWeaver connected through SOAP, RFC, SMTP. This is SAP NetWeaver architecture. SAP system, SAP NetWeaver, external system, external web services. It is a web-based open integration application platform that serves as the foundation of enterprise service-oriented architecture, enterprise SOA, and allows the integration and alignment of people, information, and business processes across business and technology boundaries. This is how SAP Netweber portal looks. Next is MySAP. Using mysap.com platform, employees, customers, suppliers, and other business partners can work together across company borders anytime, anywhere. SAP outsources its electronic marketplaces and corporate portals to SAP Portal subsidiary. Application technology. SAP R3 up to 4.6 application SAP basis, SAP Enterprise Extension Set, SAP R3 Enterprise Core, SAP Web Application Server. My SAP ERP Edition 2003, My SAP ERP Edition 2004. My SAP is not a single product but is a suite of products from SAP including SAP R3. SAP R3 was first launched in 1992, is regularly updated and is market leader in ERP technology till date. SAP R3 many modules such as HR, Finance, covering all enterprise. Other products in my SAP product suite includes SRM, Supplier Relationship Management, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, PLM, Product Lifecycle Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management. IT practice, IT scenario, previous components. This is the My SAP technical and functional modules. SAP ERP, SAP Central Component ECC. In 2006, SAP introduced SAP ERP and shortly thereafter they purchased Business Object, which makes SAP market leader in business software, enterprise performance management, and business intelligence. In 2009, SAP unveils SAP Business Suite 7 software. It is designed to help business optimize their performance and reduce IT cost. A condensed ramp up phase enables first customer to go live with software in March. In early May, the next generation of suite is released to the rest of the world. SAP HANA. Next is SAP HANA. SAP HANA is an in-memory, column-oriented relational database management system developed and marketed by SAP SE. Its primary function as a database server is to store and retrieve data as requested by the application. In addition, it performs advanced analytics, predictive analytics, spatial data processing, text analytics, text search, streaming analytics, graph data processing, and includes ETL capabilities as well as an application server. This is SAP HANA platform. During early development of SAP HANA, a number of technologies were developed or acquired by SAP SE. The included Trex search engine, in-memory column-oriented search engine, P-Time in-memory OLTP platform acquired by SAP in 2005, and MaxDB with its in-memory live cache engine. The first major demonstration of platform was in 2008. Teams from SAP SC, Hasso-Platter Institute, and Stanford University demonstrated an application architecture for real-time analytics and aggregation. Former SAP SC executive Vishal Sikka mentioned this architecture as Hasso's new architecture. Before the name HANA stabilized, people referred to this product as new database. The software was previously called SAP High Performance Analytic Appliance, SAP HANA Index Server. SAP HANA database is developed in C++ and run on SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. SAP HANA database consists of multiple servers, and the most important component is index server. SAP Business Suite on HANA. SAP Business Suite on HANA is a business suite solution fully integrated with and optimized for SAP HANA as database. In SAP Business Suite on HANA, the application logic is re-implemented directly in SAP HANA database and optimized existing SAP Business Suite transaction to leverage SAP HANA. Deployment option. SAP Business Suite on HANA deployment option, existing stack, and this is sidecar approach. Migrated suite on HANA, migrated BW on HANA. SAP S4 HANA is the next generation business suite. It is new product fully built on most advanced in-memory platform today. SAP HANA and modern design principles with SAP Fiori user experience. SAP S4 HANA delivers massive simplification like customer adoption, data model, user experience, decision making, business process and models, and the innovation, Internet of Things, big data, business networks, and mobile first to help business run simple in the digital economy. This is S4 HANA. Deployment option SAP S4 HANA on premises, SAP S4 HANA Cloud, SAP S4 HANA Private Cloud, HANA Enterprise Cloud. Software as a service application, PaaS application, IaaS application. SAP partner offering SAP S4 HANA customer manage, SAP S4 HANA on HSC, SAP S4 HANA private option, SAP S4 HANA public cloud, SAP managed. Transition scenarios. There are three SAP S4 HANA transition scenarios. There are implementation, system conversion, landscape transformation.